Today, Sri Yogi Narayana Yatindra Sankirtana that I am going to introduce you to is Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. Eppudu Evvela Manasu Maruvakunnadi. Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. This particular Sankirtana by Sri Yogi Narayana is very popular for its beautiful lyrics and the messages therein. Sri Yogi Narayana, through his Sankirtanas, which are simple in language and easy in style, had propounded eternal truths and conveyed great messages for the betterment of humanity. In this particular Sankirtana, apart from talking about the beauty and ambrosial taste of Sri Ramanama, the very name of Sri Lord Rama, Sri Yogi Narayana Yatindra also talks about very important messages by saying that Sri Ramanama is telling him to cut the sapling of worldly attachments. That Ramanama is telling him not to keep the company of ignorant ones and to seek the company of enlightened souls. He also says that Ramanama is telling not to fall for the deceptive talk of fake gurus. This Sankirtana Sri Yogi Narayana had written long back. We can understand how far-sighted he was to talk about fake gurus and their wrong preachings. He cautions humanity about such gurus who are very rampant now. Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. This particular Sankirtana has gone viral because of the mellifluous rendition by Sri Prince Ramavarma, who has maintained the tune by his Guru Sri Balamurali Krishna, but had introduced swarams to make it more catchy and enjoyable. Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. Eppudu Evvela Manasu Maruvakunnadi. Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. Saga Maga Saga Maga Saga Magari Sani Pari Mari Pari Mari Nire Pamagari Sa Sri Rama. This is how this Sankirtana goes. So, let me take you along through this Sankirtana. Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. Eppudu Evvela Manasu Maruvakunnadi. Sri Rama Ni Namamu Jihvaku Ruchiga Unnadi. O Rama, your name tastes ambrosial to my tongue. Your name tastes ambrosial to my tongue. My mind is not able to forget it. Now or ever. Your ambrosial name is so tasty, O Sri Rama. Moha pasamane mulaka చెరచమన్నది, కష్ట కామ క్రోధములను కొట్టమన్నది, కాయా పోషణము బహు కష్టమన్నది, మాయావాది గురుని బోధ మోసమన్నది. O Rama, your name tells me to destroy the sapling of passionate attachments, tells me to fight out the misery-causing traits of anger and desires. O Rama, your name tells me that taking care of this physical existence is very burdensome. Your name tells me not to fall for the misleading teachings of fake gurus who are a dime a dozen now. హీన వృత్తి సంసారము విడువమన్నది, అన్యదార అర్థాపేక్ష అణచమన్నది, పామరులతోనూ పొందు పాపమన్నది, సజ్జనులతోనూ వాదు సౌఖ్యమన్నది. O Rama, your name tells me to remain dispassionate towards samsara. It tells me that desiring others, wife or wealth, should be curbed. Your name tells me, O Rama, that keeping company of the ignorant ones is akin to sinning. Interacting with the learned noble ones is very comforting. చూపు మనసు ఒకటి చేసి చూడమన్నది, చూడా చూడా చుక్క వెలుగు చూడమన్నది, సుజ్ఞానులకు ఎరుక జాడ సులభమన్నది, నారాయణ స్వామి గురుని నమ్ముమన్నది. O Rama, your name tells me to combine heart and vision and then see. It tells me to direct that vision to look at the effulgence of the star. Here Tataya means the effulgence of moksha, the liberation which one must seek. Your name tells me, O Rama, that for those with true knowledge, conscious awareness comes easily. Your name tells me to place my reverential faith in Sri Narayana Swami, who is the supreme preceptor. Sri Rama, నీ నామము జిహ్వాకు రుచిగా ఉన్నది. నమస్కారం.